In this video, I want to show you how to protect your content and also drip feed your content to your members. Okay, so you go to Zaxaa member, click this one, access, and you will be presented with a page like this. And you simply select the product or level that you want to protect. For example, this one, list building blueprint, and it will show up over here that there are tabs: posts, pages, categories, files, and Amazon S3 files. So you can basically just choose the posts or pages that you want to protect. So for example, this means that if I uncheck this box, just now it's checked. If I uncheck this box, this means that these posts can be accessed publicly. It says here public access. If I check this box, then it means that this post will be protected and only members who have purchased this product or level can access this post. Okay, so drip start and drip end. Okay, we have, if you hover your mouse, it says that if you want your content or file to be immediately available for members, enter 0. Okay, so 0 means available immediately for members. If I put in a 1 over here, this means that 1 day after your member joins, he will be able to access his post. Okay, if I put a 5 over here, this means that 5 days after a member joins, he can access his post. For now, I want this content to be available immediately, so I type in 0. Okay, drip end. Okay, if you hover your mouse over here, it says that if you want your content or file to be available forever, then you need to uncheck this box. Okay, so I want it to be available forever, so I uncheck this box. Okay, so now if I want to, for example, if I want to limit this, I don't want this content to be available forever. I want it to have an expiration date, so I need to check this box and I need to select how long this content will be available. Is it going to be available for 1 day, 10 days, 50 days, okay, or even weeks, months, years? Or I can even choose an exact date. If I choose exact date, I can choose when I can specify when this content will expire. For example, let's say February 13. Okay, for now I want to uncheck this box. This means that the content will be available forever. Okay, and then next I can go to pages and do the same thing. Basically, this one, let's say I want to be available immediately, no expiration date. For this page, I want again, I can check and uncheck the box. If I uncheck it, it means that it will be publicly available, public access, as you can see over here. Okay, if I want to protect, I just need to check the page, check the box, okay, and then specify the drip feed schedule. Okay, so for example, I want this content to be available 3 days after a member joins, so I type in a 3 over here, and I want it to have an expiration date. I check this box, for example, for 1 week. I need to choose 1 week. And then, for example, this one, I want it to be available immediately, forever. So the settings here is fine. And let's say this page, I want it to be available 7 days after a member joins. And I want it to be available only for 30 days. Okay, and then I can move on to the other tabs: categories, files, and so on and so on. Okay, so for example, this categories, uncategorized category, I can check this one, and I want this category to be available 9 days after a member joins, and I want it to have an expiration date, an exact date expiration, and let's say February 14. Okay, and then for the files, you see that there is a demo.pdf over here. Okay, this file is already here because on my server, okay, so you can use whatever FTP program. In this case, I'm using FileZilla. So in my server, I go to my WordPress installation and then go to WP content and then uploads, and then there will be a folder named ZM, which stands for Zaxaa member, ZM-protect. If I go inside this folder, there will be a demo.pdf over here, which corresponds to what you see over here. If I have, let's say 3, so whatever files that I want to protect, I need to upload them to this ZM-protect folder. So the files that show up here that I have uploaded to this folder will show up over here. So in this case, a demo.pdf shows up here because it's already inside on the file is already inside the zm-protect folder. So okay, you can upload whatever file, zip file, PDF file, mp3 video files, anything. Just upload it to this folder and it will show up over here, and then you can protect this file by checking the box. Okay, and Amazon S3 files, the same thing. Once you have connected your Amazon S3 account with Zaxaa member, then your files will show up over here. Okay, after I'm done, I just need to click Save Changes, and it will say that settings have been saved and you are done. Okay, so when you want to protect another product or level, just select the corresponding product or level and then just do everything over again.